Thank you for clicking on this video. It means the absolute world to me. And today I'm here with my friend. And I asked her if she wanted to be in the vid. She said sure, so I'm just telling her that I'm recording. And she's like one of my besties. She says, okay. Obviously, I mean, you can read. I'm sorry. I get like that. Hello, everyone. This is my bestie. Mia Rocks 200. And I'm going to tell her that I have an audio, so... No, I don't have an audio, but, like, the thing can record this, but I'm going to say I have an audio. You know what I mean? Audio. I have an audio, so I will not be talking in English. What's red? I can't see it. Oh. Adios, so I will not be talking in English. I'm so sorry for that wasted 1 minute and 23 seconds. I did not do that. Okay. So today, my bestie doesn't know this yet, but I'm gonna do it whatever she wants today. Yep. Oh, look how cute she is. Okay, so bestie, what are we gonna be doing today? What are we? She's gonna hate me. We are I don't know what we're going to do. Okay, she might be like thinking, but my dad's just having a amazing. For reals though, I don't know why I'm recording. For reals though, I don't really know why I'm recording. I just like to record, and it makes me happy that I at least get one view on this, because it just makes me happy that some people are actually watching. So I'm encouraged to make more videos, but I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna say, wanna trade? Because I'm just recording for fun. Fun! Okay, I'm pretty sure she has a cameo trade. Yes, I want this so bad. I'll trade you a spike for it. That's a horrible trade. I don't know what that thing is worth. I won that in the Forgotten Desert earlier. She's the one who traded me all these rares, so I'm pretty sure she doesn't want them. Stick a smart's tail. Eyeball hat. A raccoon tail. This, and I want to keep that. I think she already has that though. Halo and Warren. Top hat. Okay, so I'm gonna trade her a magenta spike collar, a rare ladybug hat, a rare stegosaurus tail, elf helmet, eyeball hat, raccoon tail, pink swirls, computer, wavy pink walls, halo, top hat, and Warren. No! Why? I work so hard. I hate when that happens. When you work so hard on a trade, and then it just says can't trade. I'm like, oh, she's trading me. I have those. So I like friendship stuff. I don't know, but it's just so cute. I have that. I have that. I have that. I have an orange one of that. Uh. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to do that. Wait. Oh, but now it's gonna seem like I chose her. Okay, whatever. It's a bunch of orders. TY. Anyway. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna trade you now. I've always wanted that. Oh, okay, cool. That's cool. She got something she wanted. That's cool. It's totally not about. I want this so bad. I'll trade her everything. She has a lot of hers, actually. She has like a crap ton. I have a lot of these now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I bought like 3 of them in the beginning, and I just got 2 more. So that's cool. I'll trade you that for it. That's a horrible deal. Like I said before, I'm definitely not trading that for it. Branch antlers, sunglasses, ladybug hat. I want to try something in a second. Fox hat. This. This. That. And. That. Wait, I didn't want it. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm so sorry this is taking so long. I can go so overall with the trade. Not an overtrade, but like I can get all over it. Tiny tree. Wait, what am I trading? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 betas. Another beta, another beta, another beta. I don't know if that's beta. Please. Oh my gosh, the done button isn't working. I hate when that happens. I'm so sorry you guys have to go through this pain with me. Okay, I did that right. That. OMG, that scared the crap out of me. My printer just went on, so my mom's probably printing something. OMG, that scared me. That sucks. That's fair, right? You totally say no. It's horrible. Ladybug hat. A beard. Shh. Don't I have an eyeball hat somewhere in here? Yes. Please accept. I really, really want that. So, hold on, I want to see what that is. Oh man, my mom's signing up for some kind of club. No! I work so hard. Sorry, I have. Oh, she has like everything. What is that? Printing stuff. What is this worth? OMG, what is she printing? A moon necklace and a gentle. OMG, guys, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Mom. Oh. Ew, this sounds so gross. She has most of this stuff already. Really? I'm so unrare. That was funny. That's why I laughed. OMG! And it says quiet mode on too. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna trade my one. Oh my gosh, this thing is still going. This thing is still freaking going. This is picking me. That's it. Oh, I don't want to be in the pain anymore. OMG, how many papers is she printing? It just went inside the printer. It printed something and it sucked it back up. That's weird. What are you guys printing? OMG, what is this? Mommy and me creativity? What? Abracadabra mystical magic show? Okay, whatever. Yeah, guys, that's gonna about wrap it up for this video. I'm just gonna try one more time for Cammy. She took off Cammy. She took out my favorite item. I want that. Give it to me for offense. Just kidding. I love you best in a friend way. So she obviously likes these two items since it's on this animal, and this animal, and this animal. So she obviously likes everything else on our videos. OMG, there's so many printouts. Stop! Oh my god. Wanna play a game? What? What? The abbreviations, like, wanna play a game or oh, yeah, sure. Let's play a game to wrap it up for the video. Oh my gosh. Shocking. Okay, I suck at this game. Well, I think I suck. I was. Okay. So it's here. I see you. I see you. I see you. It's right there. It's right there. It's right here. Okay. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is hard. That one. I'm so sorry for the printer, guys. And okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, this one's gonna be hard now. Okay. I got this. Oh, it's this one. It's that one. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for the printer. It's going off. Yes! Wait, that's horrible. I only won 10 gems. There's like 10 papers printing out right here. That was fun. Let's do it again. Okay. Oh, she's so good at this. How do you... Oh. I'm gonna play it off. How do I shoot? Do I just click? Oh, I did okay. Did I get an eye? Yay. Gee, there's so many papers. Swag. Oh my gosh, you did so good. Okay guys, well I have to go. So, thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot when you guys watch my videos. Thank you guys so much. Like, thank you guys. You guys are the best. Yep, that's how I wrap it up. See you guys later. It's been an awesome time with you guys. See ya.